Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute knotted headbands, and I am using nylon pre-made strips from Sophia Grace Craft Supplies. They're so cute. This is a glitter version. I've also got two other ones that I'm working with, which is the squared like knitted version, and let's see if I can get the other one. And then I've also got the cable design as well, so it's so pretty. So squared, cable and glitter, and I've got a little unboxing showing you all of them as well, so you can see all the different colours and all the different patterns that I've got. So if you've got a sewing machine, this bit is so much quicker and so much faster, but I hand stitch. So I'm basically going to do an overstitch, hand overstitch on the edge just to finish it off. You have to bear with me, mine is not perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get at this. The more even you can do them, the nicer it will look. But if you've got a sewing machine, you can literally just take the end, do exactly what I'm going to do in a minute, and do an overlock stitch, and you'll be done in like seconds. But look how cute they are. I try and do as close to the matching colour as I can. As you can see them here. And I've done this one without. As you can see, it doesn't give it quite the same finished look, and you can get little snags like this. This is why I do it in the first place. Okay, but these glitter strips come at 24 inches, and you can get one headband like this with a bow on it. And I've already done this side just so it's not so long, the video, and we're going to do the exact same on this side. So all you want to do is take your strip once you've cut to 24 inches, and this will fit an adult nice and comfortably. It fits my head. Okay, you take it, you just want to fold it down like this, so that you've got about an inch, well, about half a centimetre, centimetre down like this. Okay, so all your edges are all nicely in. And then when I can find my sewing needle, you know how many times I've misplaced this today, and you want it double threaded, and obviously as you can see I've got matching pink. You want to go half a centimetre down from here and through the back where we've got the knot. It wants to go like this, so the knot's at the back, you've gone through it. Make sure it stays over the edge, not to the side. And then again from the back, you want to try and get your spaces even as well, so you want half a centimetre there, half a centimetre deep, and all you do is with that loop that you have at the back, you bring your thread through. So there, through the back, and you'll see in a second that thread goes along the edge. Down, through the back loop. You can mark these out as well. If you've got like a white chalk pen or a white gem pen, I have like one of these, you could literally, chalk pens are better if you've got one, but you could mark it out so you could see where you were going and making sure you've got the same like height and depth and everything like that. But like I said, if you've got the sewing machine, it's a lot quicker. Lot quicker. I will speed this up on the filming. But yeah, this is just what you do. Not too complicated, not as hard as it looks. It's just having the patience to do it so it looks nice and doesn't look messy, if that makes sense. If you get anything like this, you can pull your tension along like that and just get it tidied up again. Through the back loop. I had to refilm this tutorial, by the way, because when I did it earlier, I realised I did all of this stitching off camera and you had absolutely no clue what I was doing, which isn't really helpful. So yeah, I've had to redo this 3 times because my dyspraxia got the better of me earlier as well when I was trying to tie. Because we're not always perfect. Through that back loop. Almost done. I may have made this a little bit short. This is what happens when I film. I will just do it. Look. Just enough to do it. If you ever have that trick, that's a little trick for you to do if you're running low. I'm just going to do a little stitch through at the back just to make sure that stays in place and doesn't move and come loose, as you can imagine. Do excuse the back a little bit there, but obviously you can make it much neater when you're actually paying attention fully and not trying to make sure everybody can see you stitching. Now, I actually have my normal bow making template, as you can see, the ones that I normally use in my tutorials. And this is the 7-inch one, which would translate to like the 14-inch one that people use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the material, make sure it's completely flat, as you can see. Line it up, and you want it so that these are even, as you can see. And then you want it so that you've got this look. Okay, so this one this way, this one this way. And then take this over and down. So you've got this. Now you don't want a super tight knot, you just want it quite loose. And then you put your finger here, and again, still make sure that this is flat, and bring it over and use your thumb to hold that in place. Now with this one, again, make sure it's flat, bring it over, and bring that through. And then make sure you've got all your edges in, tighten, and then I just twist that round there. And with this side, because it doesn't quite cover here, I take it and give it a full tug. If you wanted to make it the more scrunch look, you can pull this over. I like the knotted look personally, so I leave mine like this. And then all you've got to do is slip them off. And as you can see here, I did put masking tape on the edges of my wooden templates because mine don't have the curved edges, so this is just to stop it from snagging and things like that. But there is your finished product. They're so simple, so quick to do. If you wanted to, you could put just a touch of glue here just to stop it from unknotting, but this is one that is pretty solid, and it would literally take somebody undoing that knot to actually get it open. So there you go. And look at all the pretty colours. And I'll just show you the difference because this one's been on my stand for a little while. And as you can see, they do stretch out considerably. Because like I said, that's a stretched out one. This is how they start off. So that's been on my head and on the stand. So you can see how they could be adult size or children's size depending on the person that's wearing them. Thanks for watching. Bye.